My name is Mrs. Lozi. I came here for sickle cell anemia. My children, they have sickle cell. So we came here to Dr. Vikas to do bone marrow transplant. They did well. Both they have this one as full mat. The other one, this one, Comfort, is a half mat. So we are here for Dr. Vikas. Is doing well, and my children are all doing well. I thank Dr. Vikas. So if any one of you are there, please come here in India to Dr. Vikas. Is doing very much well, and I appreciate him. He's a good doctor. I thank God that they are doing well. It's the best hospital that you can come and do your children bone marrow. I thank so much.